reception, how are you? I hope you're keeping happy and safe inside your home. Today we are going to be doing something really fun. We are going to be planting a bulb. Let's say that word. Planting. Planting. Well done. Now, before I start planting, I want you to stop the video and have a think. What do you think I need if I want to plant a bulb? Now, a bulb is like a really big seed. So what do you think I'm going to need? Stop the video and have a think. So, what do you think I need? Well done! If you haven't got it, don't worry because I'm going to tell you now. The first thing you need is a bulb or a seed. So, I've got my bulb here. The second thing you might need is something to put the bulb in. So I've got my plant pot right here. Now, the bulb isn't going to grow unless I put in some soil. So I've got soil in a packet. And there's one more thing I need, but I think I'm going to have to get it from inside. What do you think is the last thing I need for my bulb to be able to grow? Did you get it? I need some water. What I need to do is put my bulb into my plant pot and take my soil and pour my soil into my plant pot. Let's pour the soil in. Oh, look how muddy it's getting. We want to make sure that the bulb is just at the top of my soil, just like this. And use my fingers to pat all of the soil around, just like this. I've got my water and I'm just going to pour a little bit around my bulb and the soil will absorb the water. Place my plant outside so it can get some sunlight because that's the last thing the plant needs to grow, sunlight. Thank you so much for helping me plant my bulb. You did amazing. Now it's time for you to do some planting at home. I want you to stop the video and have a think. How many fruit or vegetables do you know have seeds inside them that you can use to grow the fruit or the vegetable? Grab a piece of paper and a pencil and write down as many as you can think of. I'll give you a clue. Have you ever looked at the outside of a strawberry? Stop the video and write your list now and make sure to upload that list onto Tapestry. Do you have your list of foods of fruits and vegetables that have seeds in them that you can plant to grow? Well done. Now, see if you have any of those fruit and vegetables around the house. I'll post on Tapestry some extra ideas for foods you can look for that you can use the seeds to plant that fruit or vegetable in some soil. However, there's one that I think a lot of you will have that's really easy to plant. What food have I got? You're right, an apple. What we're going to need is an apple, a knife. Now, you might need an adult's help because a knife is very sharp and they will need to watch you cut your apple in half. And somewhere to put the seeds. So I've just grabbed this box, so you can use a plate, you can use a cup, you can even just use some tissue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my apple in half and I'm going to look inside to see can I find the seeds. Now I can't find the seeds yet, so I'm going to have to keep cutting. Now, at the moment, I can't see any seeds because the seeds are right in the middle of the apple. So you have to keep cutting around the edge. Look what I can see. I used my knife to get the seeds out of the apple and I found two right in the middle. I'm going to put them into this box to dry out because at the moment they're quite wet and sticky and that's not going to help. So I'm just going to leave them a little while until they're nice and dry. If you want, you can speed this up by drying them with some kitchen roll or tissue. Once the seeds are nice and dry, if you have a garden, you can plant them outside in the soil just like I've showed you at the start of this video. You can even plant them in a pot if you want to see them start to sprout. Or if you don't have a garden, on your next walk, maybe to the park or along the street, if you find some soil, you can plant the seed, and you, from these seeds, will grow your very own apple tree. Now, apple trees take a very long time to grow. They take years and years and years. So you're not going to see any growth anytime soon. But with some patience, you're going to see a fantastic tree. Now, I've got one last challenge. I haven't told you what I've planted today, what the bulb is going to grow into. I want you to take a piece of paper and a pencil and write down what you think I'm trying to plant. Take that piece of paper and a pencil, take a picture of it and put it on tapestry, and I'll tell you if your guess is correct. You've done some fantastic planting today. Well done, reception. I am so impressed and so proud. I can't wait to see all of your planting stories on tapestry with you telling me what you've planted. Make sure to keep an eye out on tapestry because I'm going to post some pictures of foods that are really easy to grow from your own house. Take care, stay safe, and I hope to see you very soon.